So far, everything we've done, we didn't need to connect to any network to do it. The good thing about connecting to a network is you'll be able to launch more powerful attacks and get more accurate info when you connect to it. Now, if the network doesn't use encryption, if it's an open wireless network, then you can go ahead and connect to it, and then you're at section 3, you can sniff unencrypted data. If the network is a wired network, then you can connect to it using your wire, or you can try, after you connect to it with the wire, maybe you need to change your MAC address to something else so that you can connect. The main problem is if the network uses encryption, such as WEP, WPA, or WPA2. We've seen if we try to sniff the data will be encrypted. And if we want to decrypt it, then we need to know the key. And if we know the key, then we can just connect and the data will be unencrypted anyway. So that's the main purpose of this section of the course, is if your target network uses some sort of encryption, and you can't really do anything more now unless you decrypt or find the key so that you can decrypt the data and connect to the network. So we're going to talk about how to decrypt WEP, WPA, and WPA encryptions.